Hi everyone, hi. How are you guys doing? So, hi. What an evening. Good to see so many people. My name is Inder and I'm not COVID positive. Yet. Well, somebody was telling me, hey, don't joke about Corona. I said, okay. Yeah. But what was that? Tali thali and sound vibration? See, India's Corona journey has been one heck of a journey. From fear to fun to hilarious to what the hell? Things have been like this over. You see, we Indians take things in Desi style, and same goes with the Corona times also. When this Corona scare started, very first thing which started doing rounds and people were really scared was not having enough testing kits. Yeah? But Indians discovered that and they came out with a testing kit which is free of cost, available to all. Yeah? Anybody knows which kit is that? Yeah, I'm talking about that 10-second breath test. Hold your breath for 10 seconds and if you did not cough, you are Corona free. Go, live your life. Amazing. But there is no scientific evidence to this. And as this journey progressed, people started coming out with different cures also. How to cure Corona, how to prevent Corona. And one of the most common thing which was circulating and told by everyone, to everyone, that warm water goggles. Salty warm water goggles. And that should, prevent you from Corona. World is still trying to wrap its head around it, but we Indians discovered it. In fact, one discovery I came across in the newspaper. It was saying, the article was saying that world kept looking for Corona cure everywhere and it was available right under your nose. In 12th standards Jantu Vigyan book, zoology science. Yes, in India. Written by Dr. Ramesh Gupta. In year 1987 it was published. On page number 1072, there is an article on Corona and cure is also given there. I know now everybody is excited. What's the cure? The cure is your good old aspirin, as mentioned earlier. Do you know Prince Charles also got COVID positive? Yeah? But do you know he got the treatment and he became fine? He followed Ayurveda and meditation and that is how he recovered. That's a different thing. That very next day when this news broke out in Indian news channels, the office of Prince Charles vehemently denied it. But then another news which was doing rounds, it is my favorite. And I've been following this since that day. And I love the punchline. अब कैसा रोना, एक पेग में पैक होगा Corona. I love it. You see, so many things are happening in the Corona times, and that is what brings the fun part. There is another very interesting news that I had come across. A man on the outskirts of Kolkata at a place called Dankuni, which is about 20 kilometers outside Kolkata, on National Highway number 19, the highway which connects Delhi to Kolkata. And he started selling cow urine and cow dung by putting up a table and a poster on the highway. His poster apparently said, Gomutra piyo, Corona bhagao. And he was making sale. He is a milk vendor and he had two cows, one Indian and one Jersey. And the rate was different, of course. The premium was on the Indian cow, 500 rupees liter urine and 500 rupees kg cow dung. But Jersey cow's urine and cow dung was not selling at a premium, it was 300 rupees the rate. And he made sale. He got motivated to sell it after he participated in a cow mutra party organized in Kolkata by our favorite party. If you think these are those incidents which have happened, in far-flung places, then let me bring you closer home. We have a ministry, specific ministry of oops. And this ministry has been promoting various remedies to cure and prevent yourself from corona, starting from Chyawanprash, turmeric milk, warm water, chai, your favorite tea, even kada. Those who do not know kada, basically herbal tea. Poor man's kada is rich man's herbal tea. And this ministry is supposed to be doing a lot in this corona war. There is a minister who actually said, you sit under the sun between 11 AM to 1 PM and soak in all the vitamin D. And then that will help you to kill coronavirus. There is a very famous Baba in our country. And this Baba came out in news and he said, after doing a scientific research, he has found an Ayurvedic cure for corona, and that is Ashwagandha. Nobody is asking questions to him that where and when did you do this scientific research? What are the credentials? Baba is minting money. Baba became so bold that he started a hashtag which started trending. Yoga for Corona. He said yoga can cure Corona. In fact, he did a very significant research and he came out with the treatment which he actually promoted a lot. He said to cure Corona, there is a sure shot treatment. You need to take some mustard oil and you pour that mustard oil in your nostrils. That will push and dispatch the coronavirus into your stomach. And then the acids of your stomach will kill the coronavirus. Another very interesting news I came across about the corona cure or treatment. A teacher in Goa, he had a dream, and in his dream, his Guruji appeared and he gave him the secret formula of corona cure. And that corona cure is simple. You take some lemon, crush it, little bit of ginger, a pinch of powder of fennel seed. Some people are getting excited. No, we are not making the evening's cocktail. Well, the cure is somewhat like this only, but it is not available to the public as of now because our favorite ministry of oops is doing research to find out if it's true. You see, we even had a moment of glory. New York Post, they uploaded a video of few Indian men taking a dip in the pool of cow dung and then emerging out of it and claiming, now I am immune from coronavirus. You see, Indians are also very naive, innocent people. Because of their innocence, in India, corona is even confused. What's my gender? Am I male? Am I female? In some of our states, Bihar, Jharkhand, their village ladies are performing elaborate puja. They dig up a hole in the ground, bury some incense sticks, some flowers, sweets, some cloves. and then they pray to Corona Mai that Corona Mai spare us. But in some other part of the country, ladies are singing bhajans for Corona. Interesting bhajans. Corona bhag ja re Bharat mein tharo kai kaam. Yeah. This is the bhajan. Inspired by this bhajan, our favorite bhajan king, Narendra Chanchal, he belted out one hit pandemic special number. You want me to sing that for you? डेंगू भी आया, स्वाइन फ्लू भी आया, चिकनगुनिया ने शोर मचाया, अब देखी की होना, ओ कित्थों आया कोरोना. Amazing stuff. You see, that's why I said that our corona journey started from fear, and then we had some funny elements, went into hilarious zone, and God knows what the hell is also around the corner. But what I love the most, the man who gave the anthem, the corona anthem to us, to the whole world. And on that beat, I'm gonna be taking it forward. 1, 2, 3. Corona go, Corona go, 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 Corona go, Corona go, go, Corona. See, Corona has even changed the social fabric in India. And our government is also playing games with us. They're having fun. Earlier they said, fear Corona, maintain social distancing. Alright? So I started imagining my mother-in-law's face in coronavirus. And I could do it. Easy, easy. It helped. Now they are saying, accept Corona as part of your life. You learn to live with it. Hello? This reminds me of my wife. I think mother-in-law part was better. Funny, huh? Are you on WhatsApp? Are you part of some WhatsApp groups? Social fabric has changed so much that people are now addressing each other by different names. They're making different kind of groups. Other day I met someone and he was showing me some numbers. So I saw COVID positive. I said, who is this guy? These are the people I want to maintain social distance from. And there were a lot of COVID negatives. Of course, friends. But then there were some COVID suspects. I said, who are these people? These are those, on and off relationships. You're not too sure. Amazing stuff. But this social fabric has not changed only on social media, even in our real life. Other day, I had a little argument with my wife and she shouted at me. It's me who spent 12 years in lockdown with you. Nobody will go even for a single day in quarantine with you. That's true. And it's not different for young couples also. Now in the corona times, pickup lines, you like pickup lines, right? I had a pickup line. I used that a lot of times, unsuccessfully. Hey, are you hungry? I can cook. But these days, there are very, very, appealing pickup lines people are using. Hey, I have an extra N95. You can totally have it. Hey, do you wanna sanitize hands together with me? Hey, that's a cool mask. You wanna come by my place to check out my collection? Fancy pickup lines. I hope they work. Recently, I got invitation for a marriage. Yeah, my first Corona times marriage. I went to attend that function. Yeah, same marriage where you have that 50 guest limit. In fact, that is more like a VIP guest list now. You know, like Super 30 of Hrithik Roshan. If you are not in the top 50, which means something is wrong in your social circle. So, well, I went to this marriage function and there was this dance happening. Distance dance, where people were maintaining enough distance and dancing. So, I noticed a guy danced his way closer to a girl, wanted to make a move on her, and the boyfriend was also dancing in short distance, and he immediately jumped in. Hey dude, we are already isolated together, try your luck somewhere else. These days, how people propose has also changed. Hey, do you want to quarantine with me over the weekend? No, I can't. Over the weekend, my mom FaceTimes with me. She has to see the same walls. Sorry. Okay, then how about 2-hour-long isolation? Even lovebirds, you know, the couples who find the true love are also finding it difficult, you know. They sit by the lake or the river, making plans for the future, having dreams. Hey, I want you to come with me. Let's run away from this barbaric world and go into isolation. Only me, you, and our own ventilator, and we will live happily ever after. You see, marriages in India, marriages are a big business. Any brides? Any would-be brides here? Give me a cheer. A lehenga and a bride, you can't mess with that. You know? I'm sure ladies in the house know what a lehenga means for a bride. Nowadays, a bride's tantrums are different. She's threatening her parents that I'm not going to sit in the mandap if you will not get me my designer PPE along with the matching mask in red. You know, I'm part of a cycling group wherein I go along with few friends and we do cycling. So I'm friends with a young boy. So other day when I went out, he looked pretty off color. So I asked him, what's wrong? He said, you know, I had planned a big date with my girlfriend. That date got cancelled. She cancelled it. I said, but why? She was telling me, you know, other day her father saw us in the park when we were dry coughing together. And now he wants to see the screenshot of his Arogya Setu. Thank you so much, guys. That's all for the evening. You all wonderful always. Have a great night. Thank you.